In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. Whether you're updating your email newsletter, tweaking the design of a promotional campaign, or making last-minute adjustments to content, Mailchimp's intuitive interface makes it simple to create professional and visually appealing emails. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the platform and customize your campaigns with ease. So grab your login credentials and let's get started. First, we need to access the Mailchimp dashboard. To do this, navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Once you're there, enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset them. After entering your details, click the Login button, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is the hub for everything you'll need to manage your audience, track analytics, and most importantly, edit your campaigns. Next, look for the Campaigns section in the top menu. This is where all of your existing campaigns are stored. Click on the Campaigns tab, and you'll see a list of all the emails you've sent or are currently working on. Scroll through this list to find the specific campaign you want to edit. Once you've located it, click on the campaign title to open it. From here, you'll see an option labeled Edit Design. Click on this button, and you'll be taken to the campaign designer. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice several tabs along the top of the editor, each designed to help you customize different aspects of your email. Let's break these down step by step. Start with the Content tab. This is where you can add or modify the text, images, and buttons within your email. If you need to update your copy, click directly into the text blocks, make your changes, and hit Save. For images, you can upload new files, adjust the size, or replace existing ones. Want to add a button that links to your website or a product page? Simply drag and drop the button element into your design. Customize the text and link it to the appropriate URL. Next, move over to the Layouts tab. This is where you can adjust the structural arrangement of your email. If you want to change how the content is organized, say from a single column layout to a multi-column design, this is the place to do it. Drag and drop layout blocks as needed until you're happy with the structure. Now, let's fine-tune the email's appearance under the Styles tab. This is where you can adjust the fonts, colors, background, and overall body aesthetics of your campaign. In the text section within Styles, you can define the font, style, size, and color to ensure readability and consistency with your brand. If you have hyperlinks in your email, head to the link option to adjust their visual style and color. This is an important step to make sure your links stand out, but remain aligned with your design. If your email includes call to action buttons, the button option under Styles lets you customize their appearance. You can tweak the border, background color, and even the font of the text on the button to make it as eye-catching as possible. Once you're satisfied with these design elements, it's time to preview your work. Use the preview feature to see how your email will appear on different devices and email clients. This step is crucial to ensure your design looks good, not just on desktop computers, but also on mobile phones and tablets. Remember, a significant portion of your audience will likely view your email on a mobile device, so double-checking this preview is always a good idea. After previewing, send a test email to yourself. This allows you to experience the email as your recipients will. Check for any issues, whether it's formatting, broken links, or typos. Treat this as your final review before the campaign is sent out. Once you've confirmed everything looks perfect, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures all the edits you've made are secure, and your updated campaign is ready to be sent. And that's it. You've successfully edited a Mailchimp campaign, from logging in to finalizing your design. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.